Hi guys, it's ABR Tech here again. You're welcome back to my channel, ABR Tech Tutorial and Tech channel. In this very tutorial, I'm going to be listing three apps that you can make money from legitimately. All right. This generation is so blessed in such a way that there are numerous opportunities lying on the internet for you to make money from the comfort of your home. You don't need to stress yourself. You need not to do anything but just with your mobile device, your Android smartphone, iPhone, or any other device that is internet enabled. You can be able to make money with this app. But most of this app, sorry, some of this app, I'm going to be mentioning three apps here. All right. And one is the most important and most effective among the three. All right, so not all are Android apps. Some are iOS, some have iOS, sorry. Some can be used on iPhone, while most can be used on Android. All right, whichever works for you is fine. Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can use this to make money, to make real money in dollars and in BTC from this site, from this mobile app. All right, so just stick with me and let's get things down. I'm going to be showing you the website. From the website, you get the mobile app. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. All right. So the first on our list is Cash Magnet. All right, Cash Magnet. They said you can get money from your Android app, your Android phone. We pay for every minute of that time when you do nothing. Have you ever seen this before? Like they pay for every minute when you do nothing on your smartphone. Right? You earn in points. When you earn in points, you get paid in dollars or BTC to your wallet. All right. So, like I said, the first is Cash Magnets, and this site they are so reliable. Like they work more or less like a survey company. All right. They say we have the largest payment because Cash Magnets unite all the best reward programs in one place. That is to say, they have numerous survey companies. They pull them all together, and pulling them all together means that whenever they give you this task to perform, whenever you perform, then you get paid for it. Okay, you don't need to perform any task. You do not need to perform tasks, watch art, or play games. Any will come in an absolutely autonomous and passive mode. So what they want you to do is just to have the app on your phone and it will be running. All right, whenever your data is on and this app is running, you get rewarded for it. Have you ever seen app that pay because they're charging your phone? All right, don't worry. So keep watching this video. You will get to discover this app very soon. So prepare to earn several times more. Only 2 months of working with Cash Magnet, and you can buy another phone that works for you around the clock. These are thousands of our satisfied users do. All right, isn't that a good testimonial? All right, that's a good testimony, and I can say that yes, if you work with these people, you're going to make the same kind of money. All right, so it's absolutely safe, and we guarantee that your data and personal settings will not be used in any way. All right, so everything about you is secured on this platform. All right, you can receive payment with PayPal, Amazon, Google Play, iTunes card, and all of those stuff, even Stack. All right, earn money using your phone for doing nothing, absolutely passive income. Just keep your phone active on it. That's all. Turn on your data and everything will be counting. All right. So please, like I said earlier, if in case you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right. So you want to know about what is cash magnets? You can read about them here. Go to their website, read more about them. All right. Is it free? Some of the questions that people ask. Most persons ask this question, and you have it here answered. All right, so you can just go through them, follow the procedure like I just said. Go to the site, is Cash Magnet app, right? Cashmagnetapp.com. When you go to cashmagnetapp.com, you can see all these things. Then you can use your phone to get the mobile app. All right, just try getting the mobile app to your phone. When you get it, you start earning immediately. But Please be reminded that this is not get rich quick scam. All right, it's a gradual process, and earnings depends. You shouldn't think that because I made a lot of money with this, you can start earning immediately with it. All right, it's dependent on your effort, how active you are, and your zeal to make money from it. All right, so keep it up, and like keep trying the method I just showed you, and how you can make money from it is as simple as that. All right, cash magnet is as simple as that, and you can make a whole lot of money from it. So just stick with me to the end of this video. All right, so you got question, you receive more information after a quick registration. So you can just head over to the site. Like, this is the site. You can click on sign up. You sign up a free account and you're on the go. All right, so please, that is exactly how it is. All right, so please, in case you're new to this channel, you can please help us by subscribing to the channel. You leave a comment, then share with your friends. All right, drop a comment in any regards you're confused. If you are confused about anything here, you can just drop a comment. Please drop a comment. You share the video you like. All right, share with your friends you like the video. Okay, so we're gonna be heading over to the next app that can make you this whole lot of money. All right, let's go. Now the second app is called the money SMS app. Money SMS app, just like many other top top communication company, like telecommunication companies, just like they test the service. These people work with them in such a way that whenever they create new product, they test it to their users, at least to confirm that this will be delivered directly in their inbox and not spam or flagged by network providers. All right, so these are the kind of people, they work in hand with this company in such a way that people register and test their service, test the SMS, and you get paid for testing service. All right, these are simple things to do. So it is called money SMS app. Make money online. You can make money online with this. All right, so this is the second app on our list, and I guess is one of the most effective after the last one we're going to be mentioning here. All right, one of the most effective. The main features of money SMS. Money SMS is a free Android app which allows you to make money online automatically from your phone by receiving SMS. Like I said earlier, you'll be sent SMS, and each SMS you receive and read, you get paid for it. They really want to try things out that yes, this message is delivering. All right, it works on Android. Earn money online, it's automatic. Referral program, you can earn from referral program, is secure. Yeah, it's secure. Of the truth, this Android is this mobile app, I mean this money making platform, they are secure. All right, so you can make money with it safely without the breach of information. They won't have access to your personal information, or maybe share it to others. They don't do it. They don't sell your information. All right, so all you do here is to make money. You refer people, you make money. Everything about it is free. You don't need to pay a dime to be part of this program. Okay, so it's totally free. All right, so there are more to it. Like I said, it's secured. The platform is so secure that you can make money from it without a breach of information. Right, you can just simply sign up an account and you become a member of money SMS app. You get paid for every task you perform on this platform. All right, and you are free to join. You don't need to pay anything. Everything about it is totally free. Okay, so you can learn how to make money online with our app. All right, you explore how the SMS app works in a short 1 minute video. They have a video on the website which you can watch and learn how this app works. So you don't get confused, you can simply sign up, download, and install on your mobile app, your mobile device. Sorry. So start earning with money SMS now. It's a simple thing to do. It's not hard. All right. Whenever you register, you receive SMS test. You receive automatic test SMS. They'll keep testing this SMS, and each time you get it, you get paid for it. And bigger companies are paying them, so you get a dividend on what they are paid. A dividend of whatsoever this big company, these big telecommunication companies pay them, you get a dividend of it. All right, so you can make a whole lot of money on this very platform I'm talking about. And yes, you can make. There is no limit to what you can make, but it's so dependent on your consistency, and your zeal to work extra. All right, your zeal to work hard on this app. But anyway, the work is not time consuming anyway. It's an easy one. Just keep your Android app running. When the app keep running, you get paid. All right. They have sent over 3 million message and 75. All right. So over 168. Why are you getting paid? They are paying you because big companies wanted the service and they are linking you up with them. All right. So you can read everything on their site. There is no information you want that you won't get on this site regarding them. So everything you want to know about Money SMS app is on their website. So you just have to go to www.moneysmsapp.com and you read everything about them, even how to register an account with them. You register a simple account with them and then you're on the go. You start making money directly without problem. Okay, so that's it. Like there are so many persons who think these people are scam because they do way better than expected from them. Why? Because you don't have to do much job here, but you get paid. But like I said, bigger companies are paying them for this, and you are giving just a dividend of it. All right, so don't be confused, and it shouldn't sound like a scam to you. All right, so why should I download this app from the website to avoid getting the wrong one or maybe getting it into the wrong hands so I don't fall victim of hackers? All right, so the best thing to do is to get this app from their website originally. All right, so please just follow the procedure I just told you, the general question, the payment issues, everything you need to know. In case you have problem, you can refer a friend and get paid for that. What SMS will I receive? Should I do something with them? You have nothing to do with the SMS. Just receive the message, read, and you're good. All right, that's that for that. And please, in case you're new to the channel, like I said earlier, subscribe. Help us subscribe. Your subscription matters not alone a lot. Sorry, it matters to us a lot, and it's totally free. You don't have to pay anything to subscribe. Please hit the subscribe button, the notification bell icon, so that you get notified whenever we drop new content. All right, so we're gonna be heading over to the third app, which is the most effective. All right, it's the most effective, and it's called Current.us. This is the most effective and it's fun. A whole lot of fun. Like I can't imagine myself working whenever I'm working on my system. I put this on, plug my earphone, and I keep enjoying music while I get paid. And the more I hear music, the more I keep listening to music with this mobile app, the more I earn points and I can redeem them with either PayPal or BTC. And there's sometimes they send them surveys to me and I complete them. I get paid up to $3, $4. All right, I get paid up to $4. There are times I play games online through this mobile app and I make a whole lot of money. Okay, I make a whole lot of money. These are important. This is the most effective amongst them all because this one is crystal clear. Like it's easier to make money on current.us than the two apps I just mentioned. All right, so all you need to do is just to download this app. You listen to to music on the website or on the mobile app. The more you keep listening to music, you earn. If you're charging your phone, you earn. If you take surveys, you earn. There are numerous things you can do on this site, on this current.us, and you keep making money. This is passive income. While you're asleep, you keep making money. You're awake, you keep making money. All right, so it's totally passive income, and this is the most important thing to do. All right, so just stick around, learn all I've said about this, take actions because watching alone can't help you. So take action and you will learn a lot about this. It will help you, all right? Learn a lot about this, and after learning, then you can earn much more from this app. There's no limit to what you can earn from the mobile app. All right, you listen to music, you watch videos, you play games, take surveys, simple questions you understand. All right, so please, like I said earlier, in case you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe, you like, drop a comment, then you share with your friends. All right, please subscribe. Thank you. God bless you.